different from all the rest, and a silence covers the earth. The stars have no glimmer, the moon tries to hide, for in death lies the man of their birth. In a room filled with sorrow, a mother cries for Jesus, her son now is gone. Her child sent from heaven was taken away. Heartbroken, she feels all alone. The King of all ages, the giver of life, for a moment lies silent and still. Then a power from a heaven comes breaking the night, and the dead must bow to his will. Then a stone moves, the earth shakes, and birds start singing. The sun shines, the earth warms, for new life is bringing. A little boy stops crying, a mother is smiling, for death could not hold their king. Then the stone moves, the earth shakes, and birds start singing. The sun shines, the earth warms, for new life it's bringing. The little boy stops crying, my mother